Yeah, so the entry point for me was a lot of alumni. In San Diego, there's some crazy stat that I won't butcher off the top of my head, but a lot of San Diego USD alum and San Diego State alum live in San Diego post-grad. So it's a very strong network post-grad there. And I kind of knew that and realized, and it's a lot of asset management as opposed to other high finance roles. Like there's not a lot of investment making there. There's not a lot of hedge funds down there. There's certainly not a lot of VCs down there.
Yeah.
Although the ones are there doing good stuff. But so I kind of knew that and realized I'm going to go through alumni networks, and then at the end of every call, I'm going to ask, hey, is there any other alumni that you work with or that you work, you're in contact with and you work with that don't work with you that I can network with? And, eventually that wealth management, financial advisor, asset management group in San Diego really started like opening its doors and especially as like a local kid from a non-target, you can play that story right to at least get your foot in the door. And I was really fortunate to get in with a place called HAV Capital. That was the CIO and founder there was the former CIO of Nicholas Applegate. So trillions of dollars under management and his experience. And that was at the stage that he was at. And it was a 4-person family office.